So till now we have got this. Isn't this amazing? This is the trick of border top. We have border, but it's transparent. We only have border top. Okay, that's it. Now let's create our keyframes. So at keyframes, let's name it spin or loader, whatever you want. Next, at 0%, we are going to provide transform rotate 0 degree. Yes, friend. And at 100%, we are going to rotate it 360 degree. So at 0%, it's 0 degree. At 100%, it's rotating 360 degree. Let's hit save. Now we need to attach the animation property here. And what it is going to be? It's going to be spin. Let's make it 1.2 second. And now the thing is animation function. We are going to see it with all the animation functions. I mean, at least 2 to 3. So let's provide it linear. Okay. And how many times? Let's make it infinite. It will repeat. Okay. Infinite times. All right. Let's hit save. Now let's open with live server. Let's take a look, friend. How is this? It's rotating, right? Now the thing is, let's change it to ease. Let's hit save. And now let's take a look. See? Okay. Now the thing is, there is one more thing that you can do. Let's add one more keyframe. At keyframes. Oops. Let's change the name to color. At 0%. %. Let's change the border top color to something. All right. At 75%, let's change it to again something. And at 100%, again, let's change the color to something else. So it is white and then RGB. Okay. Let's hit save. Now let's take a look. Okay, we didn't attach it, right? So let's provide a comma. Next, yeah. So color 6 second is infinite. No, let's make it linear. Let's hit save. And let's open with live server. See? Amazing, isn't it? Amazing. Let's make it yellow. Yeah, this one, let's make it yellow. Oops. Next, green, that is fine. And this one, let's make it to orange. Let's take a look. Yeah. And slowly we can even change it, like okay, let's make it green. Okay, let's make this one green. Yeah, that is fine. Then from green to blue, and then from blue to orange. Yeah, this is fine. No red, no red. Yeah. How is this, friend? All right, and if you want, we can provide a box shadow to our loader. Box shadow 0 0, let's make it 10 pixel RGBA 0 0 0 0.5, 50% opacity, and 0 0 0 means black. Okay, let's open it with live server. We can't see it, right? Why? Oh, what is this? 10 pixel. Yeah, see? Now for this to be visible, let's change this one to say 555. Let's see, we are just experimenting, all right? Yeah, see? Let's make it 333. Yeah, this one. So yeah, actually we don't need box shadow, so let's make it to 111. This is just to show you that we can make it interesting. Okay, and yeah, this is the one. Let me delete it. Let's hit save. So yeah, there you go. Here is our animated spinner. Okay, if you want, you can make it linear. If you want it to be linear, yeah. Okay, so yeah, there are linear is there, ease in, easing out, like this. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope that you have liked it, you have enjoyed it. See you in our next project. Till then, have fun, take care.